Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful day here in the heart of the Da Nang tourist town, the An Thuong area. We are right here in the Le Quan Dao Street and we're gonna take a long walk today. We'll cut it into smaller videos, but it will be a long walk. So if you also wanna see, oh, check this out, dude. Yo! So if you wanna see all the way to Sonsha and all the other neighborhoods, we're gonna all walk in this trip, but it will be in the next videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe already. What's going on here, guys? My God. Look at it smells like gasoline here, or diesel, or whatever this is. Something's big is gonna happen here. More bad air. Why is this closed now? Huh. Check this out. This was a Pilates studio before and now it's a clothing store. Interesting. There you can buy some hats. Dude, I'm so excited about the beach now. I think it's gonna be fantastic. We're also gonna walk in the sunset time. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be so many people out there now. It's crazy. I just came from having coffee with Marcus and I'm like, you know what? I'd have to do some walking videos now. We have some interesting video projects planned, and one is what I'm testing right now. They're almost finished with the pavement over here. A little bit on a pavement report. So this corner is still left, but they did not do anything here yet. Pavement here is all good. So I already did a lot of videos here in the An Thuong 4 Street. Might do it as well next month in February or so. But check this out, guys. Beautiful weather. This is January in Da Nang. Fantastic. Also, let me know in the comments, who wants to see more nightlife or videos at nights? I think I'm gonna take a different camera for the nighttime videos. As you can see here, it's very lively at the moment. I really want to go to the beach. It's so busy here at the filling station. Kind of crazy. I don't know what changed here. Why it's always so full now. It wasn't that busy a few months ago, or last year. Now it's very busy. Ciao. How are you? Okay. He didn't want to let me go. I had to eat some. I just hugged him now. I don't know if that's appropriate. Oh, I love the family. The Badao family. Or Dao family. Great people. Maybe he's pissed that I haven't been there for a long time. But I actually order. I don't want to sit around there. It's usually never a quiet time for me to sit outside somewhere. So I usually order my food at home. So, but he does not know. It's still a recommendation for me. Check this out. What's happening over here? Dude. You know what? It's very interesting. There are lots of apartments here looking out of this side as well. I reviewed a apartment here on the German channel. It was a very interesting apartment, very quiet, for 9 million dong, 1 bedroom. And the entrance is here to the left. In An Thuong 1 might be a very nice street here, but it's so much construction there in this street here at the moment. It's kind of crazy. Oh, look at this. This plot of land just got fenced up. You know what that means? It's getting sold. Every time they put a fence around a piece of land, it's time to get sold. And they clean it out. So as you remember, there was so much trash around here. Check this out, very sharp. So they're building the fence and then they're gonna sell it. So I assume this is the property line. What do you guess is gonna be this price of this piece of land? And is this piece of land even available to sell or buy in a normal fashion? Oh, look at this. Kam Dokse, no parking area. So you cannot park here, guys. But yeah, I think they're gonna sell this piece of land. Very interesting, guys. Are we gonna go to the beach? Look at this cute doggy. Oh. Check this out, how beautiful it looks today. It's so beautiful. Let's check out the water drainage here. Nothing happening here. Look, check this out. It's literally closed. But this is super disgusting smelling water. So it's basically trapped here. It cannot go out, it cannot go in. Nothing comes out at the moment. Just this beautiful beach part. And it feels like it's already recovered. It feels it's already recovered full. This is amazing. It gives a vibe of the summer, but the summer not that hot. Minus the crazy humidity. It is nice fresh air at the moment here on the beach. In the sun, it's nice and warm, and in the shade, it's cool. Not really cold, it's just nice and fresh. And check this out, what happened here? Oh my God. They completely demolished this place. Dude, this is new. Oh my God. So they put this here, but they demolished the whole place here. This is crazy, guys. When did we walk here the last time? It was complete, it was still there. And now it's gone. There's gonna be content creation going on here, but check this out, guys. They just demolished this. Dude. Why? Why did they demolish it? This is crazy. He's getting some wood. Dude. What is going on here? What are they building here? That's the other question. Maybe it was illegally built and now they remove it. Or they built something better here. I have no idea. But I thought it's actually a nice place. They also had toilets over there. But yeah, what will happen now here? Got all the metals. And now I have a taste in my mouth again from all the dust. Ah, nasty. I 100% sure the thing what I have all the time in my mouth, like this, walking around here, around that construction sites, it's like the small dust particles. So here, I don't know what's happening here. There's still lots of sand missing, but the beach is wide again. So in that case, it's not that bad. But yeah, just walking by here, I feel like I already died inside. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I have to move away, far away from this dust and everything. Ugh. And here it smells also very bad here. I think the toilet over here is broken or something. Oh, my nose is clogged now. So here, they got more space now again. That's good. But it's a little bit split, to be honest. Oh. Check this out. So they have seating over here on the right, and then it goes down. I don't know how they can recover it or like repair. I think they already did something by their own. I can see some ladies with a shovel in their hand. So it's good that they have the space again to rent out their sunbeds, because the less space, the more expensive it will be at the future. At the moment, I think it's still 40K, if I'm not wrong. At least that's what I'm believing. 40,000 dong, yeah, each chair. There you go. Beer prices still low. The chair. So we got a beach chair and a beach chair. But the laying one is 40,000 at the moment per day. Yeah. Whew. It's beautiful. It's just exactly what I like. This view is phenomenal. You can see here how many chairs there are possible to put on the beach. Because the beach is still, even though it's recovered a little bit, but it's still way less than it was before. And you will see it on the summertime when it's like thick white sand beach. And it's very wide and everything. Very nice. Check this out, guys. This is where the lifeguards are. It's the station. And this is the surf rescue surfboard. And one guy is here. And they stopped building on it. I'm not sure if it's safe to be a lot of people on this. Or have it very heavy at the moment. Because it doesn't look that stable, to be honest. If I look at this, there, could rust at any time. It could break down. Whenever the sand is back, then it's safe, maybe. But think about, if they put something heavy on top of here, it will at some point collapse. Oh, look at this. They planted some coconut trees or palm trees here. Right on top here, in the middle. That's nice. Check this out. It's actually very nice. And you know what the best thing about the Maya is now? It's not loud as it was before. So it's not that in your face anymore. It's like very nice and calm. Good temperature, not temperature, volume. Very nice. Oh, look at this. Beautiful Austrian people. Copy me! Oh. I always see everyone here. Now they are from Austria. He's Austrian and she's half Austrian, half Vietnamese. Very interesting, guys. Yeah, but with this beautiful view, I say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video, what's coming out now, here on the screen. And see you in the next vlog.